Seeing parents charged in these cases is unusual.
But legal experts are not sure it will work in this case. 2 News reporter Riley Phillips live in the studio, continuing our coverage of the charges and what it could mean for future cases.
Yes, experts believe the prosecution will have a difficult time proving there is enough evidence to support the involuntary manslaughter charges.
Definitely not a slam dunk case for the prosecution in this.
In a rare move, prosecutors in Michigan charged the parents of the alleged school shooter. James and Jennifer Crumley both face 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter.
The concept of involuntary manslaughter is that a person was acting either recklessly or grossly negligently, and in doing so, someone died.
But legal experts believe the prosecution will face an uphill battle in court. According to common law, parents have a certain duty to protect their children. Prosecutors will have to prove Jennifer and James Crumley acted recklessly and negligently by allowing their son to have access to the gun and by keeping him in school the day of the shooting.
They've got to make that connection, say there's where the negligence occurred. They failed to do what they should have done as a duty to their children, to protect them and to protect others from them, and they failed to do that.
And experts say getting the jury to believe the facts when applied to the law will be challenging.
It's always difficult to tie the actions of the person who did something to the parents or somebody else who simply had a hand in it somehow, tangentially.
While the facts of this case may not stand up in court, experts hope this move to punish the parents will spark change in gun laws.
Start passing gun safety laws where people actually have a requirement. There's no requirement to secure your weapon in Michigan, so you can just leave it around. So I'd like to see some gun safety laws. Hopefully that will happen.
And experts say ultimately it will be up to the jury to decide if there is enough evidence to convict the parents on involuntary manslaughter charges. I also asked if the school or school district could face charges, and I was told it would also be difficult to prove those institutions could have done anything more. Live in the studio, Riley Phillips, 2 News, working for you.